Hey floor cleaners, it's John here, and in this video I'm going to be talking about how we are now offering financing on our advertising services to help more floor cleaning businesses like yours get a leg up in the world and take your floor cleaning business to the next level, even if you don't have capital to be able to sign up with us. We can now do it on financing, so I'm going to be talking a little bit about that in this latest video. If you've never heard of me before, my name is John Williams and I run a company called AGB, otherwise known as Ads Grow Business, and we specialize in one industry and one industry only, the floor cleaning industry. Whether you're a carpet cleaner, a tile cleaner, a hardwood floor cleaner, we specialize in your industry and we help floor cleaning businesses like yours get more jobs on autopilot using our specialist digital marketing program. I'm on a personal mission to try and help as many floor cleaning business owners as humanly possible, not just survive but thrive, whether that's working with us on a one-on-one basis or through this YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Financing. So we are now offering it to anybody that wants to sign up with us. So effectively, taking your floor cleaning business to the next level, it can be hard. Advertising costs money. If you want to advertise on Google, on Facebook, so on and so forth, it's not cheap. You have to load up those platforms with a decent amount of money to be able to actually generate results. So even if you're doing it yourself, you're not paying somebody like us, it can be quite an investment in terms of like the amount that it costs on those platforms to actually get some decent results. And that's not to mention, if you are going to do it yourself, the amount of time it takes to learn advertising and advertising online and things like that. It's not easy. There's a lot of technical stuff that you need to learn. Then there's a lot of creative stuff like ad copy, creative writing, calls to action, different structures of the way to write ads, figuring out the creative aspect of it, like the video, the imagery, and then how to set it all up, how to connect it up. There's like follow-up sequences that you need to implement, like emails, text messages on the back end, or maybe someone clicks the ad and it's going to go to like a landing page, and then someone's going to fill some info in and it's going to send you the info, or it's going to go to, like, for example, with our system, you click the ad and it goes to a chat bot that's going to have a conversation with the customer on autopilot, and you're going to be able to talk to that person live in real time inside of Facebook Messenger. So like figuring out how to like code a chat bot, how to build an ad, there's a lot of skills required and it takes a long time to learn that. So not only is it expensive in terms of the amount of money that you need to pay Facebook, but the learning curve is really steep as well. Furthermore, if you're not good with computers, you're not a technical person and you just realize that it's just going to be better to hire a professional company to do it for you. Number one, like finding a specialist company can be difficult. Luckily though, you found us and we specialize in the floor cleaning industry, carpet cleaners, tile, hardwood floor, so on and so forth. And if you haven't discovered us, hypothetically, trying to find somebody can be difficult. And not only that, obviously, just like us, there's going to be a fee to pay on top of the actual ad costs as well. There's going to be the management and the setup fee, and then you've actually got to pay Facebook or Google in terms of actually delivering the ads as well. So it becomes even more expensive. And so taking all of that into account, sometimes, especially for floor cleaning businesses that are just starting out or whatever, maybe you're making like enough money to live, like to pay the rent, to pay the bills, maybe to put a little bit away or whatever, but there isn't much left in the kitty afterwards, right? And so therefore it can make it difficult to kind of like take that next step up to improve your business, to get in front of more people, to pay for advertising if you don't have that capital available for you. Even though a company like us, we've tried to keep our pricing as competitive as humanly possible and make our system as accessible to as many people as possible. But like nonetheless, sometimes, if you're a small business, you're making, just enough money to kind of like, to like live. Do you know what I mean? Like that's not to say that you're not living comfortably, but you're paying for your lifestyle, you're paying yourself a wage and there's not much left after that. It can be difficult to kind of make that step up and be able to reinvest in advertising advertising to take the business to the next level. And the thing is, for many of you, you do have those ambitions. It's just getting that money together and having that capital there to actually be able to take that next step. So therefore, in an effort to help more floor cleaning businesses be successful in their community, we, AGB, is now able to offer financing on our marketing programs. So that means that you can sign up for like a few campaigns with us up front under our new financing scheme and pay it off with low cost monthly payments. So to be honest with you, like most of our clients, once they sign up with us within the first 30 days, they're making anything from $7,000 to $20,000 per month with the program. So, technically you could take out the finance, sign up to the program, and then 30 days later, you'll have the money to pay it all off. And effectively, you'll have like a bit of money left over as well to pay for the next campaigns moving forward. That's something that we're doing. I just wanted to kind of make this quick video to talk about it. And what it looks like is basically, if you want to find out more about working with us and leveraging our financing scheme, effectively head down to the description or whatever, sign up for a Zoom call, head to our website, www.a-g-b.co, head to the website, schedule a Zoom call, basically from our availability. Once you get on the call with the sales team, let them know that you're interested in the financing at the start of the call. And then what will happen is we'll run you through the program, we'll tell you exactly how everything works, and then we'll go through an online application during the Zoom call and hopefully get approved, and the money will be in your account. We'll send you a proposal and you can then sign up with us. Happy days. And like I said, it can be difficult, to kind of get a little bit of money together to pay for some ads and just to kind of take that next step. In the long run, it's going to be beneficial, but having that initial money there in this kind of industry, it can be difficult, So hopefully through doing this, through offering this, it means that we're going to be able to work with more floor cleaning businesses, have more success stories, change more people's lives, which is really what I'm all about as a person and what we're all about as a company. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. And like I say, if you would like to find out more, head to the description, schedule a call with us, and we'll be able to walk you through it. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button down below. And if you would like to find out a little bit more about working with us on a one-on-one basis to take your floor cleaning business to the next level, head down to the description where you'll find a link to our website and where you'll be able to schedule a Zoom call with us. See you on the next one, guys. Layers.